What's up guys, Travis with Lane Shark, and today we're announcing another giveaway. So a lot of you may have seen the Sawing with Sandy videos, and we set him up with an LS4 a while back, and he's done a really good job with those videos, so we decided to give him a Hammerhead, and we are going to be getting his LS4 back here at our shop. We're going to go through it, make sure everything is perfect as can be, and we're going to be giving that unit away, as well as an install kit and some merchandise. So the winner of this giveaway will be chosen through the comment section. We're asking you to go on there, share a story of how a Lane Shark would help you out. As most of you know, I created this thing because I was always the one in the bucket of the tractor with a pole saw or the loppers, and my stepdad was always in the tree stand saying, get that limb. No, not that limb, the other one. So yeah, there always felt like there had to be a better solution out there, and that's why we created the Lane Shark. So again, the most important part of this is the story in the comment and making sure your tractor is compatible. So give us a good story of how this will genuinely help you, because we're looking to actually help someone who really needs this. And we're gonna be reading every story to see who we think this will help the most. So any of you guys that have came over here from Sandy's channel, we welcome you. Sandy's been a great partner to work with, and we look forward to working with him in the future. So good luck to everyone, and thank you for participating.